Alright, so I'm at the Walmart bleeping parking lot. Hey, look, these things can only happen at Walmart parking lots, right? Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. So, this is technically, it might be South Daytona, but Daytona Beach area, corner of Nova and not ISD. What do you call this street? Um, Bevel. It's 400. It goes all the way to Tampa. Look at, I was gonna come across. I always go through this. What's it? Conrad or something, or Discount Tire. But then I'm like, hold on a second. I don't want to like freak out, scare these birds off. You know, it's beautiful. It's like, well, they're ducks. I don't know what the hell they are. So let's see here. You're good, man. You're good. I don't have any food for them. Nothing. I mean, I should bring bread with me. You know, I got bread that I've had from a guest, and it's been like in my counter for a week. And I've got nothing to do with it. I've been putting it out, but this is so cute, though, right? They're just all kind of hanging out. So, that was really not a good idea. I got coconut oil all over my face. I'm testing it out. Oh shit! It may have worked. I don't want to touch my face, so I got coconut oil all over me. So maybe I'll go closer over here and show you some more. There's this what do you call that thing? Like a pond. There's one over here, looking out east, and looking out up north on a parking lot. But I got my goggles on, and that's good. The birds they're not scaring them or anything. At least these guys are cool. The ducks, I guess we call them, right? So cute. But now I got my goggles hanging in my face, which has got coconut oil all over myself. I think they're comfortable with me now, so they won't like be too bothered if I get too close to them. What's up, y'all? Look at them all. Oh my God, look at them all. Beautiful, right? I don't want to invade too much, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I was gonna, run after them a little bit, get better, closer looks over here. But they're just chilling, you know. This is their spot, right? That's your 400 over there. Down the street is where that sheriff of Volusia County sent off some of his comrades, some of his clan to what do you call that thing? Use children as like a target practice. We got a lot of weird people. I mean, across the thing, a lot of weird. It's a whole thing, you know. Law enforcement, the Pharisees. Wow, look at them all. Look at them all. They're all over the place. Let me see if I can zoom in on one of these guys. Here. Beautiful, though, right? I mean, it's usually like Burger King for the white egrets or something like that are. And then, this one's bigger, eh? And then, where'd the white one go? Okay, we can probably zoom on this one right here. I think. My eyes are not really... No, it's not. Is that a bird? Is that like a spot on the... Yeah, it's just a... I guess... I thought it was... I saw white over here, and I thought that parking spot was an actual bird. Yeah, this one's big. It's a beautiful day, right? We haven't had that rain stuff in, I would say almost 2 weeks. They are spraying us. I say spray those bleepers back. Oh, here we go. spray they back. Wow, beautiful. All right, thank you all. Appreciate you. I don't know what that